Hey guys, welcome to Spirit Week. Purple sweatpants, purple sweatshirt, purple shirt, purple beads. My grade kinda goes all out with Spirit Week, so see how it's going.
Is it focused?
Oh my god, you're fine. I don't really know what to do.
I don't know either.
Today is class color day. Go purple.
Yeah. Oh my god. Focus. I have 4 tests today. You look really white.
Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Hi, I'm Kat.
Show them your outfit.
And Lina's a cool girl.
I'm so cool. Oh my
You are cool. Oh my
Stand
god.
up. There's her cape. Oh, and the purple socks. Look at that. I look like an egg. Get me out. You're gonna say something? No, I look like an egg.
Oh my god, is it great?
Is it recording? Hi guys. I'm not wearing anything.
No, there are 14 people in this class not wearing anything.
I don't like this school.
Ashley, where's your purple?
Go Carter Field.
Oh my god. Kelly and Allie, nice job wearing purple. Any messages for the viewers? Your fans? Where's that?
I love this.
Ew, though, that's... We're about to take a test in bio.
So are you gonna do every day, or are you gonna combine them multiple?
You know, just thought I should check in because I have like purple Doritos and like Caitlin has a purple milk cap. She has a purple cereal bar. Ew. Haley, where's your class color? Caitlin. Oh, the exposure's like all the way down. Oh my god. I'm just exposed. Yeah, this is bad. It's focusing on the Doritos, just not your face. That used to be my favorite YouTuber. Hi vlog! We're in ceramics. See, look at our wheel. Izzy's so rude. They're painting on the table. You're slow. Got it. Are you wearing your color? Yes, you're wearing your color. Shocker, no one else is. Nicole's gonna be in the vlog. Nicole. Nicole, say hi.
Can I go to the bathroom? No.
Hey guys, welcome to meme day. It is Tuesday, October 16th. I'll say it with you. Yeah. I didn't get to sleep because of y'all. You'll never get to sleep because of me. It is so hot in the bus. See ya at school. Wait a minute. Who are you?
Is this for your vlog?
Yeah. Show them your name tag. She's Tebow from iCarly.
I like him. Hey. No. What's good and fresh?
Oh my god.
Vlogging out later.
Oh my god.
She doesn't even go here.
Oh my
Hi vlog.
Yeah.
Oh my god, such a famous meme.
What's the one person?
What's up vlog? This is, you're such a dork, but like, hey guys, Spirit Week.
I know.
There's Cheetos in my backpack. She doesn't even go here.
Oh my god, it's not focused.
How bad that is.
Happy birthday.
Nothing to do for me today.
Oh my God.
I didn't know what to do, honestly.
Alright, say goodbye to viewers. Are you just a walking meme?
I'm supposed to be the eyebrows up.
This isn't in the vlog, I'm gonna be really disappointed.
Oh my god, so gonna be in the vlog.
Alright, you have to wash my hair.
Alright.
What is this?
We have another JoJo Siwa. Caitlin has to walk around.
Walk around with me, please.
Wait, come here. Do you have your goggles?
I think I left them by my backpack.
She's a minion. Has to look this way. Please look this way. Oh my god.
It is Wednesday, my dudes. Ah!
And then Oh, can I be here now? Hi, hi vlog.
It is October 17th. I'm at school. It is Jersey Day. What jersey do you have on?
I'm wearing like probably 10 minutes to go off.
Jersey. Lakers. There. Alright, we have a Gronk jersey. Bella's wearing a Gronk jersey.
I did red.
I look like an egg.
Nope.
Hey guys, we're in Homeland.
Oh, it's not a picture.
Now it's a video. Vlog squad, ready? Head of Kelly. It's not focused. Is it focused? Yeah, now it's focused. Lauren's clearly not paying attention.
Oh.
Even though you asked to be in it. Yeah, and then I asked. Here's Alexa. Where's your jersey?
I'm wearing the
Okay, that works. I did dye my hair. Thank you.
No, you should want a headband.
This is the vlog free zone too. Show them your jersey.
Vlog 3.
Vlog free zone. Because of vlogging. Says Lakers. Kobe. All right, we're done here. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. It's ships and sailors. Sailors Day.
I'm not too sure what that is.
Looks like an egg. I'm wearing a lifeguard sweatshirt and vineyard vines under it. And my hair.
I just have a
What are you
striped
wearing
shirt.
for Sailors Day?
I'm wearing a shirt because sailors wear shirt, and I'm also wearing shoes because sailors wear shoes.
Oh wow, you tried unlike anyone else in this school. Sophie and I did the same thing. I wore a lifeguard sweatshirt and a vineyard vine shirt under it. She wore a vineyard vine shirt. Your hair is annoying. So we're at lunch. You're literally the only one that dressed up, so I mean, sick outfit. We're in ceramics right now, guys. Anything? Oh, get me! I took fly off. Go fast. And it hit me, the one wearing the black shirt.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm busy. I know.
Regina!
So we're looking at my brother's
Abby wants to be in the vlog tomorrow, but I think she really wants to be in it today too.
Yeah, she's.
Alright.
Lina, can you here for a second? Everybody needs to meet this beautiful creature. Her name is Arushi. I look really chubby today, but you know what? It's okay.
Nicole, say hi to the vlog.
We love Nicole. Nicole does wonders.
You're gonna be on YouTube. You're so fun, alright?
Feeling my clay.
I'm not.
What is this? Woo!
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, it's Happy Kardashian.
Oh my god. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow for Blue and Gold Day. What?
Everybody pop out to boys varsity game. If they win their game, they're going to playoffs.
Yum.